Have you ever been tired of not having a garden hose long enough to water all your flowers? Have you always been annoyed by hoses knotting, getting stuck or nicking, and in the end no more water is coming out? Not anymore! Welcome to our home shopping channel! Scientists at the University of Sunnydale, California have solved this problem. Introducing the new BT3000. Thanks to the latest Bluetooth 6.7 technology, it is now possible for you to completely water your garden without hoses. Simply plug the BT3000 transmitter into an ordinary water connection. Connect the receiver to your existing garden shower. If that's not possible, use our patented quick adapter that is of course included in the set. And then all you have to do is connect your mobile to the BT3000 and set the desired amount of water. And thanks to Bluetooth 6.7, you can water your entire garden without a hose. The Bluetooth 6.7 technology has a range of about 100 meters, more than enough for most homes. If you have a larger property, we can offer you a BT3000 repeater directly afterwards.
Not included in the delivery.
And if you order now, you will not get one, but two BT3000 receivers from us. You can use the second receiver to connect to the lawn sprinkler, for example. The core fusion batteries and the ultra capacitors contained in this device last at least 8 years in continuous operation. Should the batteries nevertheless become empty at some point, they can be easily replaced at any time with 3 small steps. Order your BT3000 set now for only 799.99 euros and get a piece of freedom in your garden.